Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Russian Balls puzzle. This puzzle was made by Pacific Puzzle Works. It is a 3D printed puzzle. The difficulty level of the puzzle is 5 out of 10. It is not a difficult puzzle, but a very good looking one. And the objective of the puzzle is to take it apart and reassemble the plastic pieces. This puzzle is Russian Balls 9 level. That means that there are 9 pieces inside, and probably you've heard of Russian nesting dolls. So here is Russian nesting balls. That means there is a ball inside the ball, inside the ball, inside the ball, and 9 times until you will be able to take all of them apart and remove the last tiny piece, which is hidden right in the middle of the puzzle. That's like this, and the smaller piece is, the more difficult it is to handle it. And as you can see, I can't even take it apart because my hands are too big for such a tiny piece. And the last one, you can even take it apart as well. And now you have to assemble all this mess back together, and that will be a real challenge. And there are a couple of different ways how you can do that and make beautiful patterns of different colors. If you like how the Russian Balls 9 level looks and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.